Okay, a quick video of this system. Got two manifolds of underfloor heating here, another one downstairs. A vented cylinder here, and it's on hot water priority, but it's been wired up by an idiot because every time the hot water cools, which someone's having a shower now, these programmers go dead. See, it's got a relay down there. So we're here to do a few jobs. There's Harry. So it's got underfloor heating in all of these rooms. And another manifold I'll show you. Here. So we're replacing some actuators. I'm putting some biocide and stuff in the system today. But the first thing is to sort out this underfloor, this hot water priority. So just to demonstrate what I'm talking about, the hot water, I've turned the hot water off and this program has sprung back into life, and you've got a relay down here which is energized. If I turn the hot water on, because the battery's dead in this programmer, it's going to go blank and it will lose all its timings. I've also noticed something else which is really daft. The secondary circulation down here, I can see from the wiring centre, is wired so that when I turn the hot water on up here, that's the only time that secondary circulation pump is getting a feed. So they're only getting their secondary circulation all the time that they're heating hot water, which is not really the best way of doing it. And you can see now that I switched hot water on, that has gone blank, and that relay is now not energized. And if I switch the hot water off, there you go. So, installed by someone who didn't really know what he was doing. So we've changed all three programmers, put a relay in to sort out the hot water priority, changed the AAV, changed a couple of the actuators, some more downstairs, and changed this for a twin programmer so that we can control the secondary circulation pump. And it's all now working perfectly.